Hi, my name is Tyler Primer, and I am in charge of research and development for Team Andrews in the CAPSIM. For the R&D, I look at our product life cycle, develop new products to introduce to the market, and monitor customer expectations. These are reported in the Industry Conditions Report and in the segment analysis pages of the Capstone Courier. As part of R&D, all new products require capacity and automation, which must be purchased by the production department 1 year before the product's release. R&D and production must work responsibly together when new products are introduced. R&D also has to work with marketing. Marketing can't sell a product if R&D invents or revises something that no one wants. Together, the departments can identify and target customer demands for product positioning and mean time before failure.
Hi, my name is Jordan Haywood, and I'm in charge of marketing for Team Andrews. My main focuses are product pricing, sales and promotion budget, and unit sales forecasting. I use each segment's analysis from the Capstone Courier to set prices. The percentage of importance assists me with this. By increasing the spend on sales and promotion budgets, I allow each of our products to hold high customer awareness levels. Lastly, by using the potential market shares and units page and upcoming year segment growth rates from the Capstone Courier, I'm able to predict unit sales in the next year. In addition to marketing, I also assist with human resources. Specifically, I calculate the necessary spend for recruiting and training.
Hello, and welcome to Team Andrews Team Analysis for Years 3 and 4. Our team has worked effectively and efficiently, collaborating on the best decisions for our company and products. I'm Kennedy Mateo. I'm head of the Production, Finance, and TQM initiatives. The main goals include running a yearly production schedule, forecasting our finances, and finding ways to reduce our labor, material, and administrative costs.
Andrew's R&D strategy is as followed. We must meet customer criteria, shift all current products for placement within the perceptual map circles, produce new products in our main focus points, which are high-end, performance, and size, and we must reposition the products toward the long-term perspective of Team Andrews.
In order to generate the most sales, we must have competitive prices. The Capstone Courier provides us with the customer buying criteria. Our production is based on the prior year's sales and unit sales forecast of the coming year. Before scheduling production, we take note of the amount of inventory we have on hand. To avoid inventory buildup and incurring costs, we strive to keep a minimum level of inventory. Our production teams produce enough product for customer demand and extra units in the case of higher customer demand than anticipated or forecasted. At the end of year 4, all of our products had sold except our low segment product, Acre. Acre held 88 leftover sensors in our inventory warehouse. In the year coming, we estimate producing 1,550 units of Able, 1,600 of Acre, 800 of Atom, 400 of AFT, 1,100 for Aguapt, and 400 units of ACE. Thus far, we haven't forecasted a need to buy or sell capacity. Moving forward, we will continue monitoring this need. The last main responsibility of our production team is to maintain our automation levels. Andrew's traditional and low segments have held a higher level of automation, whereas our specialty segments, high, performance, and size, have held a lower automation. The lower automation levels allow us to make changes to stay competitive in the market and release the newest technological advancements. Our goal at Andrews is to keep ourselves in a financial position to where we can continue being innovative, make a healthy profit, and run alongside our competitors. Every year, we ensure we review our financial statements to reevaluate where we can strengthen our cash flows and decrease costs. The results of year 4 showed a net income of $7,090. Compared to our competitors, we are leaders in net cash from operations at $41,326. Our total assets rose to $144,598. Breaking down our assets, we had $72,681 in cash, $12,601 in accounts receivable, $1,010 in inventory, and $86,292 in total current assets. In the future, our team will continue finding ways to increase our shareholders' profits, decrease liabilities, and further stabilize our finances to grow in our business in the marketplace.
We want to obtain top talent, so it is important to spend some funds on recruiting. By increasing our recruiting spend each month, we are recruiting high caliber workers and keeping the employee turnover rate low. Next, we allowed employees to take 80 hours of training sessions each year. This allows a higher productivity index, and while workers are away training, another worker fills their position, so work is still being completed.
Andrew's company focuses on the high performance and size segments. As a company, we feel as if these are segments that are constantly changing and competing to be the most innovative, technology advanced, and/or latest and greatest. Therefore, we have continued to keep a human-driven workforce creating these sensor segments rather than automated machines. Since we are driven by a human workforce, our labor costs are higher, averaging $12.29. Our TQM initiatives are geared towards finding ways to lower material, labor, and administrative costs, but keeping our employees and customers satisfied. Currently, Andrew's company invested $700 in CPI systems and $500 in quality function deployment efforts. The CPI investment will make an impact by reducing material costs and some labor costs. On the other hand, the quality function deployment effort will reduce R&D cycle time and enhance effectiveness of our promotion and sales budget.
Team Andrews specializes in high-end performance and size segments. The company is prided on earning 5-star rating and profit margin and emergency loan. By year 2, our profits grew to $2,722,942. The company was able to utilize the long-term loans and issued stock to gain profit on our focus products. Our goal of meeting a 30% contribution margin was satisfied by a corporate contribution margin of 34.6%. In year 3, we created a new performance product, ACE. Andrews has done fairly well in this segment, and with the introduction of this new sensor, it should help us boost sales. ACE is a product that has superior performance with a 10.5 on the performance scale, a 15.3 on the size, and has an outstanding mean time before failure of 27,000 hours. We look forward to see how well this product will perform in the upcoming years. In year 4, product ACE did very well on its first year on the market. It sold nearly 300 units and had a stock out. All of our other products did well. In year 4 with stockouts in every product besides Acre. For the next year, Andrews will have to forecast better for ACE because it seems it will be a popular item. It is nice to have no inventory remaining, but if we forecast better, we should make more money and sales for the upcoming years.
Andrews is prided on our financial awareness, cross-collaboration between departments, an efficient production schedule, and competitive product prices. We understand that in order to be an innovator, leading company in the marketplace, and promote our products to consumers, we must have the finances and cash position to do so. At the end of year 4, we were second in having the highest net income against our competitors. Additionally, we came first in having the highest net change in cash position. We will continue watching our financial position and modify if and when needed. Our strength of cross-collaboration is constantly revolving. Our departments are never hesitant on suggesting improvements to our company processes, even if the improvement doesn't fall in their department head. We believe open communication only strengthens our company's position. Lastly, we are confident that keeping an efficient production schedule, we are able to continue offering competitive product prices to our consumers.
Even after increasing the recruiting and training spend, our employee turnover rate is still somewhat high, sitting at 7.8%. We believe this will improve in future years as top talent is recruited. Next, we stocked out in all products after year 4. While this may be seen as a positive, we may have potentially missed out on sales. We plan to better use forecasts to correct this issue in the future. Lastly, our product in the size segment, a GAPE, had a contribution margin of 26% after year 4. Adjusting the price and budget spend should correct this issue in the future. Team Andrews strives to hold a contribution margin above 30% across all segments. After year 4, our contribution margin was at 33.2%. We created ACE, a new product in the performance segment, in order to generate more sales and bring more value to the company. ACE did very well and actually stocked out after year 4. We had stockouts in all our products after year 4. This is good for the company because it shows that our products are selling and are popular, but we may have missed out on some sales. Nevertheless, Andrew's company was still extremely profitable over the last 2 years. We have increased the training and recruiting spend to correct the employee turnover issue. All in all, continuous communication amongst the departments and a positive mind has and will continue to allow Andrew's company to be successful.